Okay guys, I already loosened this up and took me a big wrench and a long metal pipe to get it loose, because they usually put Loctite on these screws. And this needs to come off, and because it was leaking here, so we want to put new seals in it. Oh, gotta go to the vise real quick to get this one out. See that blue seal in here? Then there's another O-ring in here, and then there are like distance holders. They are slightly gray. Probably cannot really see them, but this needs to be changed. And then we have an O-ring right here, and I want to change that too. By the way, I got that little set here to change O-rings, which I think comes in very handy. There's some different types of, or different shapes. That's pretty cool, works good. So, let me get that O-ring out. There's also a little, it's like a plastic ring that protects the O-ring from the oil pressure. Okay, now we can put in the new O-ring. And for that inner ring, looks like that. I got special pliers where you apply them like this. Let me show you. Like this, then you open them like that, and then you can. Okay, so I already changed these inner sealings. I did that last week. Unfortunately, I didn't have time to make a video about it, but I was missing one seal, so I couldn't get done. And yeah, I want to put it together today. The missing seal was the one that comes in here, and I think that was part of the problem why it was leaking, because that protects from dust and all the dirt. Yeah, it's good. Okay, now for you all. I want to put some oil in here so it slides on a little bit better. Should be good now. Like I already said, there was Loctite on it, so clean that very good with brake cleaner. the way, there are some seals in here, and on the outside, which I already also replaced. Good. Clean the screw. Normally, if you buy a set of these seals, you get a new screw, but in this case they didn't deliver it, so you got to take the old one. But it doesn't look bad. It's clean. Already cleaned it a little bit before with a wire wheel. So all the old Loctite debris comes out. Good. Here you can see this slides into the cylinder, and then I can put in that metal ring that spreads to the outside of the cylinder, and after that there's that ring, and then I don't know, how do you call that thing? We say Sägering. Maybe put that into the comments. Good. Now we can put it back in. Okay, so here we are. To put that piston in, if you want to push it in, you won't get it inside there because the air inside will compress and you maybe get it in a few inches, but not all the way through. So I already loosened up the hose on the back side of the cylinder, and I also loosened that hose in the front of the cylinder. Okay, what I want to try is get it in there. I don't know. Can't get it in there. Problem is that thing is round. It's sturdy as hell. Okay. Maybe I can get it in there like this. Ha. That was easy. Okay, that is the backstop, and now put that ring on there, and then securing it, however it is called. I think I get another set of these pliers to push it in a little bit more. As you can see, they're turned slightly inwards, so you get a better hold on it. Oh, that looks good to me. So next step would be put that bolt in again. Yep. There we go. Okay, what I want to do is I tighten this just a little bit. Then I turn on the loader and steer it to every endpoint and loosen it up again so the air can come out. Good, I'd say let's try it out. Good. Now we do the same way the other way around.